Okay guys, don't forget to get your wild hog sausage when you come to the ranch. This is the processing room, and this is the outside of the building where we're processing. And one other thing that we haven't offered up until now, you can actually have your hogs scalded. We scalded 4 of them yesterday for a customer, and they're left with the skin on, which makes really good barbecue. You can make chicharrones out of the skin, a lot of things, cracklings. So this is skin on. This is one, we did 4 hogs for a guy yesterday. And of course, this is a freezer with all the different kinds of sausage in it. This is the double delicious stuff. So don't forget, when you come out here, put your order in so you can leave with your hogs finished.